Hi, Brad McNamee, President, Warehouse Rack and Shelf. For over 25 years, we've supplied the lowest prices on high-quality, new and used material handling and storage products to warehouses and distribution centers. Today I'd like to talk about our product Rivet Shelving, also known as Rivet Rack or Boltless Shelving. Rivet Shelving is our most affordable shelving option. In order to save you money on freight, we ship Rivet Shelving from strategically located facilities across the United States, including St. Louis, Missouri, Chicago, Illinois, Edison, New Jersey, Dallas, Texas, Los Angeles, and San Francisco, California. Rivet Shelving components include corner posts, single rivet or double rivet beams, front-to-back shelf supports, and decking. Standard sizes for rivet shelving include posts that range in height from 7 foot to 12 foot. A standard height is 7 foot tall. Shelf depths that range from 18-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, 36, and 48-inch front to back. Beam lengths that range from 48-inch, 72-inch, and 96-inch wide. 69 inches is a common width for record archive storage. Rivet shelving capacities range from 600 pounds to 1,000 pounds per shelf. Decking options include flat wire mesh decking, particle board decking, or melamine decking. Common uses for boltless shelving include bulk storage, record archive storage, part shelving, and bin shelving. Advantages of rivet shelving include low cost, assembles quickly with the use of a rubber mallet, no tools, no nuts and bolts, no parts. No other tools required. Save valuable floor space. Rivet shelving helps you organize your space. No cross braces mean you have double-sided access to your materials for efficient loading and unloading. If you'd like to talk more about your rivet shelving requirement, please contact me or one of my knowledgeable salespeople at 800-763-9020 or visit our website at www.rackandshelf.com.